Hello. This episode is about creating a virtual diary in Keynote. Here we're going to create the file. Choose theme. Scroll down to the bottom, the textured category, and find linen book. Here we're going to create the title. So we're going to input diary. In the next text box, we're going to input your name. Here, this text box is for you to input your name. Here, I use a square bracket, which means you have to update the text in it. Now we're going to create the inside of the diary. So we're going to edit the text box. Resize the text box to leave some space for the second section of the page. Here, we're going to copy and paste the text box, which is a duplicate action to create the same text box as the second section of the page. Now we're going to be inputting the title of the section, which is the date placeholder. You should update the date page by page. Now we're going to re-enable the bullets and list option and leave space for you to write your events. Again, things in the square brackets are placeholders. Now we select the text in this text box and copy and paste it to the second text box, which form the second section of the page. Here, we're going to create the title page of every month. Now we're going to duplicate the slides . Now we're going to create the template for every type of months that happened in a year. Here we're going to create the back page of the diary. It's recommended to input your name at the back of the diary. Here you could export it to